Okay, yes, it does need a bit of fixing up, but it is beautiful here. Artitaya Golf Club. Hello, welcome back to the channel, and today I've got another house rental for you that is $75 or £60 UK, and it's a different one. Let's have a look. Now, if you're a little bit of a golf nut like me, it's only 2 or 3 kilometers to Artitaya Golf Club, which is, in my opinion, the best value golf course in northern Thailand. Alright, so panning around, this is what we're looking at, this property here on the corner. Okay, so let's go in and have a look. It's a 2-bedroom, 1 bathroom. It's a wooden house, teak wood. I don't meet air makeup. Hold on, mind me air to make up. Is it 2-bedroom? I think it's only 1 bedroom. So it used to be a mechanic's workshop here. It's on a big road. There's a few trucks going past. It might be a good shop. I think it would be a good shop on a corner junction over there. I think this is a business place if the wife or girlfriend wants to open a little shop or a little restaurant maybe. This could be a nice kitchen for a restaurant. And this goes down to the outside. There is a little bit of area here. Obviously this needs taken care of. It has a water well, but yeah, needs taken care of. Downstairs, hey, look at this downstairs. I should have opened up a window for you, but it needs cleaned, of course, and painted, of course. Right, little side entrance, steps and stuff. Another entrance in there. An outdoor lavvy. We've got an outdoor lavvy, and that takes us back up to the front. Interesting. I'm not a huge fan of the wood in houses, but as long as it's 2 levels, there's always a cool level downstairs. So this is a living area, I guess, or a bedroom, if you like. Decent size, kind of airy. And another sort of area, but the toilet is here. Okay, there we go. A very quick scan around this opportunity for 60 UK pounds or $75. You and your wife or your girlfriend can have a little business here for very cheap. How about that? Alright folks, there you have it. It is a very, very cheap rental house that has a decent opportunity to be a restaurant or some business that your wife, your Thai wife, could do. And you'll be right next to the golf course. You can just drive with your clubs on the back of your motorbike if you don't even have a car. There is the contact number if you are in Thailand and you're interested in this. So yeah, there you go, just a quickie. I'm trying to find another house nicer, a little bit nicer, and I'll get back to you if I do. Alright, see you in a bit. Okay, yes, it does need a bit of fixing up, but not too much. Well, a little bit of paint. It needs cleaned, it needs painted, but materials are so cheap out here. Do a bit of DIY, no problem. Even labour's cheap out here if you don't want to do it yourself. So you pay somebody to do it. What's it going to cost? 5,000 baht to get everything all nice and clean and painted and fresh. Then you buy your furniture from a second-hand shop, or even in Lamphun we have factories here where they make the beautiful wooden furniture, if you like teak wood or anything. It's so cheap to get set up. Absolutely cheap as heck out here. So it wouldn't cost a lot of money. Fix it all up and that's your place, right next to the golf club. and play golf every day. Here we are, turning in to Artitaya Golf Club, your beauty. Here we go. Here we are, guys. We have arrived at Artitaya Golf Club in the mountains in Lamphun. It is beautiful. I wonder if they have apartments for rent, maybe even a house. So let's go in and check it out. This is beautiful. It really is. Nice big lake down there also. Boop, boop. It turns out it's just a hotel, guys. They were all eating their buffet inside there. Let's move down to the golf course. Artitaya Golf Club. 27 holes. A beautiful course. 1,600 baht for Thai residents. And I'm going to have a wee beer over there. I am on one of the practice greens here at Artitaya Golf Club. Only 15 minutes drive. According to Google, I can get here in 10 on the motorbike. They've got lockers, so maybe I'll keep my one set of golf clubs here. But look at the scenery around this course. It is phenomenal. It's so beautiful, so relaxing, peaceful. And look at you can see the mountain ranges. A little bit hazy today. Can't quite see as good as the eye can see. But it is beautiful here. Love it. Absolutely love it. And it's not expensive as well. It's 1,600 baht for a Thai resident like myself, has a driver's license or a house rental contract. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. 1,600 baht. 12, 16. 40 quid? £40 around. I need one of these machines for my backyard golf garden. He's laying down the sand and I think it's seeded as well. So it's nice, really cool. If you've made it this far in the video, this is a very important announcement. I was just told that the price has dropped down to 2,000 baht per month. 2,000 baht per month, 50 quid UK. I don't know what that is in dollars, maybe $60, is it? Help me out please. So I want you, if you're watching all the way to the end, like now, thank you so much, and comment below 2,000 baht. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and if you think that you can see yourself relocating to Thailand beside beautiful golf courses for as little as £50 per month for your rental house, then please don't forget to subscribe. Right, give the video a wee like if you like it. Next video coming up is a beautiful house 3 kilometers from this same golf course for 4,000 baht per month. I've yet to see inside. I've spoke to the owner. We're going to do a video in the next couple of days, so please stay tuned and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
Chiang Mai so beautiful.